If you are a civil engineer, site engineer, or quantity surveyor and still get confused in brickwork quantity calculation, this guide is for you. This PDF explains step-by-step brickwork quantity calculation exactly as used in BOQ, billing, and estimation. Step 1. Standard brick size. Brick size, without mortar, equals 190 by 90 by 90 millimeters. Brick size, with mortar, equals 200 by 100 by 100 millimeters. Volume of one brick with mortar equals 0.002 cubic meters. Step 2. Brickwork. Volume calculation. Wall length equals 5 meters. Wall height equals 3 meters. Wall thickness equals 0.23 meters. Volume equals L times H times T equals 5 times 3 times 0.23 equals 3.45 cubic meters. Step 3. Number of bricks 500 bricks equals 1 cubic meter brickwork. Total bricks equals 3.45 times 500 equals 1,725 bricks. Add 5% wastage, approximately 1,810 bricks. Step 4. Mortar quantity. Mortar equals 30% of brickwork volume. Wet mortar equals 3.45 x 0.30 equals 1.035 cubic meters. Dry mortar equals 1.035 times 1.33 equals 1.376 cubic meters. Step 5. Cement and sand quantity 1 to 6. Total parts equals 7. Cement equals 1/7 times 1.376 equals 0.196 cubic meters equals 282 kilograms equals 5.6 bags. Sand equals 6/7 times 1.376 equals 1.1. 376 equals 1.18 cubic meters. Final summary: brickwork equals 3.45 cubic meters. Bricks equals 1,810. No cement equals 6 bags. Sand equals 1.18 cubic meters. Common mistakes: 1. Using brick size without mortar. 2. Forgetting openings deduction. 3. Not adding wastage. 4. Wrong thickness assumption. Perfect. 4. Quantity surveying students site. Engineers, estimation and billing engineers, BOQ. Preparation channel. Topic: Civil engineering quantity. Surveying and estimation tutorials.